Do you want to live a long, healthy life with no illness? Imagine waking up every day with energy, strength, and a strong body that fights diseases naturally. One of the most powerful secrets to staying young and healthy is hidden in your breakfast. Yes, the first meal of your day can decide how your body fights aging and sickness. Today, we are going to share high protein breakfast ideas that not only give you energy but also help you live longer with no illness. These meals are simple, tasty, and full of nutrients your body needs to stay strong and active for many years. Stay with us till the end because these tips can truly change your life. Why high protein breakfast is important? Protein is the building block of your body. It helps to build muscles, repair tissues, and boost your immune system. When you start your day with a high protein meal, you give your body a powerful tool to fight diseases and slow down aging. Protein also keeps you full for a longer time, which means you eat less junk food during the day. This is one of the easiest steps to maintain a healthy weight. How does protein help you live longer? Protein helps create enzymes and hormones that keep your body running smoothly. It also keeps your bones strong and your heart healthy. Studies show that people who eat enough protein in their breakfast have more energy and better control over their blood sugar levels. This reduces the risk of diabetes, heart problems, and obesity. High protein breakfast idea number 1: Greek yogurt for fat. Greek yogurt is full of protein, calcium, and probiotics that improve digestion. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, add a handful of fresh fruits like berries, a tablespoon of honey, and some nuts or seeds. This meal gives you about 20 grams of protein and is ready in just a few minutes. High protein breakfast idea number 2: eggs with whole grain toast. Eggs are one of the best sources of high quality protein. 2 boiled or scrambled eggs with whole grain toast make a perfect healthy breakfast. Add some avocado slices on the toast for healthy fats and fiber. This combination keeps you full and provides your body with essential vitamins like B12 and D. High protein breakfast idea number 3: oatmeal with protein powder. If you love oats, you can make them even healthier by adding a scoop of protein powder. Cook your oats with milk or water. Add your favorite protein powder and top it with nuts or chia seeds. This breakfast is perfect for busy mornings and helps your muscles recover if you exercise regularly. High protein breakfast idea number 4: cottage cheese ball. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you full longer. Add pineapple chunks or berries to make it tasty and refreshing. This simple bowl contains about 25 grams of protein, making it ideal for weight control and strong bones. High protein breakfast idea number 5: smoothie with spinach and peanut butter. Smoothies are great for those who do not have time to cook. Blend a banana, a handful of spinach, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and a scoop of protein powder with milk or plant-based milk. This drink is packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats that keep you energized for the whole morning. Tips for making a healthy high protein breakfast. Always include natural resources of protein like eggs, dairy, legumes, or nuts. Avoid sugary cereals or processed food that adds empty calories. Drink water with your favorite thing and will your breakfast to help digestion and hydration. Add a small protein of healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Use fresh fruits instead of sugar of sweetness. How much protein do you need in breakfast? An average adult needs around 20 to 30 grams of protein in the morning to stay healthy and active. If you are physically active, you may need a little more. Always balance your breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats for longer lasting energy. Benefits of high protein breakfast for a long life. Stronger muscles. Protein builds and protects your muscles, reducing weakness as you age. Better immunity. A protein-rich diet helps your body fight infections and stay disease-free. Weight control. High protein meals reduce cravings and help maintain a healthy weight. Improved brain health. Protein supports brain functions, memory, and mood. Balanced blood sugar. Eating protein in the morning helps prevent sugar spikes and crashes. Healthy protein sources to include daily eggs and egg whites, Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, lean meats, chicken, turkey, plant-based proteins, tofu, tempeh. Why morning protein matters the most? Your body needs fuel after fasting for 7 to 8 hours during sleep. A high protein breakfast starts your metabolism and gives your body the strength to repair cells, improve mood, and keep you active. Skipping breakfast often leads to overeating later, which can cause weight gain and health problems. Mistakes to avoid in high protein breakfasts. Don't eat processed meats like sausages every day. They contain unhealthy fats. Avoid adding too much sugar to your healthy breakfast. Do not skip healthy carbs completely. Your brain needs some energy. Avoid heavy food, fried foods early in the morning as they slow down digestion. Simple high protein breakfast plan for 1 week. Monday, Greek yogurt for freight with fruits and nuts. Tuesday, scrambled eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Wednesday, protein smoothie with banana and peanut butter. Thursday, oatmeal with protein powder and chia seeds. Friday, cottage cheese bowl with berries. Saturday, omelette with spinach and mushrooms. Sunday, whole grain pancakes with Greek yogurt topping. Does high protein cause any side effects? Eating protein in the right amount is safe. and very healthy. Only people with kidney problems should consult a doctor before increasing protein intake. For most healthy adults, 20 to 30 grams per meal is perfect. Can high protein breakfast help you avoid illness? Yes, a strong immune system needs enough protein. It helps create antibodies that fight viruses and bacteria. When your body gets the right nutrition daily, your chances of falling sick reduce greatly. Thank you for watching this video on high protein breakfast ideas for a long age with no illness. Remember, a healthy life is built one meal at a time, and your breakfast is the best place to start. Begin your day with the power of routine, and your body will thank you for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel Healthy Lives for more simple and effective health tips. Stay strong, stay active, and keep nourishing your body with love and care.